TikTok creativity program is now a hot topic on the internet. People are making over $10,000 in their first month, and it's probably the best way to make some money online right now. So let's discover how you can achieve financial freedom in less than a month. Don't get too hyped yet, because the program is only available for US-based accounts, which means you can't join it unless you live in the United States. Don't worry, there is a secret method to earning even if you are based in the USA. I will discuss it in the end. So, watch the video till the end. Feeling excited? Let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the content creation. Usually TikTok content gets huge views. But after the rise of AI, a vast number of new creators are starting their journey at TikTok. That's why there is so much competition. To overcome this issue, you have to choose a perfect niche with demand. Fashion, cooking, comedy, and fitness are some of the most popular niches. Let's try with the fitness niches. Before starting to create the video, let's see what kind of content is allowed in the TikTok creativity program. Your video should reach at least 1,000 views. The video is not a duet or stitch video. It is not a photo mode video. It is not an advertisement, paid promotion, or sponsored content, and doesn't violate TikTok's terms and conditions. That means you can't make a duet video or create a video with the photos. Many creators suggest making videos by generating images and voiceovers and then editing with video editor. If you do that, your video won't be approved for the TikTok creativity program. Don't worry, we can overcome this issue, although we will AI to generate the videos. First, if we want to make a video on fitness, we have to collect fitness tips. You can search for it on the internet and then turn it on your video script. That's a really time-consuming task. I will use Chat GPT to generate the video idea. After coming to Chat GPT, give the prompt as I want to start a channel on fitness niche. I came across some videos on TikTok which are usually making videos on health tips and tricks. I am giving the example of this video below. Then add a couple of video sample titles. You can copy any popular video titles in this niche. Then type "I want you to give me some ideas for videos on the similar niche. Can you do it for me?" And here it is. You can see that ChatGPT provides 10 video ideas for us with detailed instructions. That's great. Now you can generate as many as you want. For example, I am simply entering "give me 20 more." And the result is in front of you. Now you can select one topic from here and then generate a script with ChatGPT. Just you have to ask "write a video script on," and then enter your video title. ChatGPT will generate a video script for you. After generating the script, you can download related videos from royalty-free websites like Pixels, generate a voiceover with 11 Labs, and in the end edit them with a video editor like CapCut. But as I told you earlier, I will do all of this with AI. I will do everything with an AI tool called Fleeky AI. Fleeky AI is an AI-powered video generator tool. It can generate outstanding videos from your idea. Yes, you have to just enter your idea. And Fleeky AI will generate videos for you. To access Fleeky AI, open your browser and then search Fleeky AI. Now click on the first link. After coming to the Fleeky AI website, click on the Start for Free. If you are the first time in Fleeky AI, create an account. After successfully logging in, you will be on this page. Here you can notice some of my previous projects. If you are first time, you may find it blank. Honestly, I used Fleeky in a wide range. However, click on the new file from here to create your video. Now we have to enter our project details. First of all, select the file type as video. After that, select the language. Here you can generate video in more than 100 languages. After selecting the language, select the accent. Then give the name of your video. I will enter the name of my video. After that, select the aspect ratio. Here you can generate videos in square, portrait, and landscape mode. As we are creating a video for TikTok, select portrait mode. Next, the input type. It's important. Here you will find some options. Just select idea. After all is set, hit the submit button. In the next step, we have to enter the video idea here. Try to enter as much as data possible about your video. I will enter the video title and the instructions by Chat GPT. After that, set the video length. For TikTok, 1 minute long video is enough. Then you have to select the element you want in your video. I will add stock media, heading, sound effects, and stickers. I avoided avatar and image because it is not necessary. Okay, now hit the submit button. Now AI will analyze our data and create scripts, visuals, voiceovers, text, and others. And here it is. Now you can review the video and customize it if necessary. To edit the script, just select the scene you want to edit and then edit the script if you want. Before going over the customization, let's see a preview.
On this journey where stress has no room. Today, we'll equip you with the tools for a stress-free fitness lifestyle.
That's a perfect video as per the instructions. Honestly, I didn't expect so much. I think the background music is a little bit louder. To solve this issue, come to the common scene. Now you will find a volume bar in the very left panel. Set the volume around 10. Okay, let's move forward. If you want to change any video clips from any scene, just select the scene, and after that, click on the layout. You will find a vast number of royalty-free premium stock footage here. You can search for your desired videos. Once you find a perfect one, just click on it and the video will be added to the scene. The picture-in-picture. If you want to add any sticker, GIF, or any overlay video, then you can use it. This time I won't change it, because it's a perfect fit for our video. In this way, review all of the scenes and customize the visuals if needed. After visual editing, we will see the voiceover. Fleeky AI has a vast number of voice artists. To change or customize the voiceover artist, click on the voiceover from here. Now you have to select a voice from this huge collection of the voice actors. Use the best voice according to the use case. After selecting the voice, don't forget to click on the apply this voice for all of the voiceover. Alright, now it's nearly perfect, just one thing. We have to customize the caption. Captions can engage the audience, especially on TikTok. First of all, select the font. Always select a bold font for the caption. I will replace the position in the middle of the video. After that, select the size. I will select large. Then the display type. For short videos, word-by-word caption is more popular. After that, select the text color and background color. In the end, don't forget to click on apply to similar layers. Alright, our editing is completed. Let's see a preview.
Not as a chore, but as an opportunity for self-discovery and growth. Next, consider adding yoga or meditation to your routine. These practices promote tranquility.
That's perfect. Now to download the video, click on the download button from here. Then click on the start export button and then hit start. Now it will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward the video. And our video is ready to download. Click on the download button. And our video is now saved on our device. Let's enjoy the video together.
Welcome to your wellness journey where stress has no room. Today, we'll equip you with the tools for a stress-free fitness lifestyle. First, let's talk about the importance of mindfulness. Embrace your fitness regimen not as a chore, but as an opportunity for self-discovery and growth. Next, consider adding yoga or meditation to your routine. These practices promote tranquility and a better mind-body connection, enhancing your overall fitness experience. Now, on to nutrition. Fueling your body with the right food is crucial. High-quality nutrients can help reduce stress and improve physical performance. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Restful sleep rejuvenates your body, aids in recovery, and lowers stress levels.
I think it's a high-quality fitness video. Now you can make unlimited fitness videos with Fleeky AI. After generating the videos, uploaded on TikTok creativity program and make money. Now if you aren't based in the US, then what do you have to do to join the program? It's so simple. Use a premium VPN and buy a Google Voice US-based phone number. Create the account, and it will be a US-based account. Alright friends, I will wrap up today's video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating videos with Visla AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!